The Congress unease is clear over Shashi Tharoor, and while he's putting out the best foot right now with regard to the global stage on Operation Sindoor, Congress media cell head shares the post, social media post against Tharoor. That's Pawan Khera. Remember, he's one of the top national spokespersons. He's the social media cell head. So clearly one of the top voices. It cannot be just by himself. It clearly appears to be an endorsement of the top leadership. He has reposted on social media site X. Pawan Khera is sharing Udit Raj's comment. So throughout the afternoon, the speculation was if it's a random comment that Udit Raj as a Congress leader has made about how Shashi Tharoor is the top spokesperson of the BJP right now. But if this is being shared by what Pawan Khera has done, is that a reflection of precisely a larger Congress sentiment? Mosmi Singh joins me for the latest on that, closely tracks the Congress party. Mosmi, good evening. Tell me, what do you pick up from the Congress party? Are they miffed? Are they uneasy about how Shashi Tharoor is putting out this narrative? Because many would say he's speaking up for India.
Clearly, Pooja, Shashi Tharoor has been at it, and it's been brewing for over a period of some 1 or 2 years, these intermittent praises of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Modi government. But the recent past 2-3 weeks have been really troublesome for the Congress party, as it is at pains trying to drive home the points, the questions that it is raising on Operation Sindoor and the conduct of the Modi government on the home turf. Shashi Tharoor seems to be undoing all the damage that the Congress wants to cause, and his recent comments are way beyond the so-called Lakshman Rekha, which one leader reminded him of in a recent Congress Working Committee meeting, where he said that Mr. Tharoor has crossed the Lakshman Rekha. He was reminded about that, and just about weeks later, Shashi Tharoor does it again. So perhaps, the distance between Shashi Tharoor and the Congress party here, I see is increasing. Somewhere it's reached a threshold where Shashi Tharoor is completely taking a divergent line. You can go on foreign soil, talk about the unity of India, talk about being the opposition leader and how you're on one voice, you're on the same page as the government on Operation Sindoor, but to turn back the pages of time and say that time and again Prime Minister Narendra Modi has performed and I've landed with an egg on my face is like telling that the Congress party or the opposition parties are simply crying foul because they don't want Prime Minister Narendra Modi to shine, and he deserves a lot of praises. And that's why, this is really unsettled the Congress leadership this time. We are told that the leaders, top leadership, is watching this very closely. Kerala elections are also
watching
around the
only,
corner.
or do we expect perhaps any disciplinary action, any sort of action that could be taken against Shashi Tharoor, or will that not happen? Because if the Congress is watching it, so is the BJP. Could they open their doors too to Shashi Tharoor?
Usually the stick is waged when you want a leader to be ridiculed or told that he's done something wrong.
Yes.
And put him on the mat. And so thereby the disciplinary action could be a possible trigger or a start to something more, as far as Shashi Tharoor's ideological stand is concerned and which party he really belongs to. So I think that there is a dichotomy here, and Shashi Tharoor simply doesn't seem to be on the same page as the Congress.
Very interesting. Mosmi will keep tracking the latest on that. Are we looking at perhaps the clock ticking for Shashi Tharoor in the Congress party? Will they be able to settle this? Is he still an asset to the grand old party? We'll be tracking that and more.